Is that fun, Danny?
It goes up.
Yeah, it does. It goes up. Look at that.
Mommy, look it.
Just a minute, honey.
Mommy, I can make it up.
You can make the ladder go up.
Do it some more.
Do it again. Wow.
What?
Do it the other way. Do it the other way. Keep it going. There it comes.
Whee. I want to see you drive it around.
Is it fun, Danny?
Oh! Down, 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 down.
Who gave you that fire engine, Dan?
Nana.
No. Santa.
That's from Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Why does he think everything that's red and fire engines comes from Nana? I don't know.
Why shouldn't it?
Danny, who gave you that fire engine? No. Santa Claus. Who gave you the fire engine? Santa. Santa Claus gave it to you. Who gave it to you?
Nana.
Oh, okay.
Santa Claus.
Here he is, Dad.
Okay, here's Neil at the door now.